conhece? Não, e tu? Também não. Jeito de rica, né não? Por quê? Ah, sei lá, pelo cabelo. Se for, qual o problema? Problema? Já viu rico namorar pobre?
The next day.
What we doing today, fam?
What's up? We about to get a donor gasket for my shit. Yeah, I've been getting the wrong size. I got it the wrong size twice.
Look how off it is. Show 'em.
Barely.
Dingus. And it's the wrong way. It's supposed to be this way. Yeah, so this is probably like a 2 1/4 and we need a 2.5 inch donor gasket. So we're gonna go do that today at Sweeney's.
Probably about to put this on today also.
About to sell this C2. Hopefully the buyer doesn't flake. Gonna miss it, my bride. Hey, Faye.
iPhone quality. Get the headers done today. I was supposed to get them done in Carson, but I didn't get the chance to, only because I had some things that I needed to do in Pomona, which is where I live. So I'm about to take it to the muffler doctor in Montclair. It's like 15 minutes from where I live, and then I'm gonna see how that goes and see if I like their work and drop some sound videos.